My name is Ian, and this is the beautiful elephant ears you see behind me. Huge burgundy foliage. Being elephant ears, it's obviously the shape of the leaf that gives it that name. But there's lots of different colors, lots of different heights. And I just want you to have a closer look at the mottling and the veining that you can see in here. I think it's just spectacular. When you get the sunshine behind it, it glows. Very elegant, very architectural, and a plant that anybody can grow. This one is called Black Runner. Its fancy name is Colocasia esculenta Black Runner, and that's because it has these shoots that go over the ground and then they'll root. They're runners. This needs to be protected from frosts, so you can't leave it outside all winter where I live in Connecticut. But I dig up a couple of clumps of the plant, put them in a pot, cut them back and keep them on the dry side, and they will survive, ready for next year.